Pennsylvania. You mean Brother D. I get on review. I like to share with you guys. This is one product that Brother D didn't buy. I just had to buy them. I just was skimming through the thing. I was like looking for fishing poles, and I was like, oh wow, man, check this one out, man. So, but I saw one YouTuber, the only YouTuber actually, did a review on this, and he actually went use them too. But right now I cannot use them. Right now it's raining, so I cannot do nothing, can upload nothing. So if you got take the time to review this. So but anyway, I share this with you guys. And this is the pen reel, the pen pole, fishing rod pen, the reel. And look how cute this little thing is. Look at that. This small little body is that small. I don't believe. Anyway, check this out, man. I mean, this is bigger than the freaking pen itself. You know what I mean? The biggest thing. Wow. You know what I mean? Pocket. Look at this reel. Look at this reel. Unbelievable. What a cute bugger. And if I believe, you just press this black button, and you see it can't move, but then so it doesn't have no drag, no nothing. So if it does pull, you know, it's gonna pull this, you know. So the directions in the back, right there, you can see. You can see it. So just check it out, guys. This is from wish.com. So, this is the opposite way. I think I took it off the wrong way. Come on, fine. And then just spin around like so. Make sure it is locked on there. Stand, I can use it like this. And look at that, guys. Look at the little thing. But you know, I was wondering, wow, did this boat really handles and stuff like that? And guess what, guys? I actually saw a YouTuber do a review on this, and you know what? And he was he hooked up a fish like this big, man. It was like, I don't know what kind of fish this was, but it was like colored kind of yellow orange fish. Well, it was big, man. This pole was bending like, I don't know what. Usually they hold it like this, you know. They hold the reel like this, you know. But I have to hold it like this because I can't hold it the other way, so I have to use it like this. And wow, man, look at that. It's a freaking good size. It's a good size thing, man. I'm gonna catch me some papillos with this thing, and loosen this. This is a drag knob here, so if you tighten it, then you know it's kind of harder. So loosen it up. That way, the drag, you know. Got the drag. Let me see what else we got. Got the foot. got the spool. This is the spool. Counterbalance, which is what is a counterbalance? Oh, this is a counterbalance. Okay. All right. All we have to do is test it out, put some line in it. I'm gonna put an 8-pound test line on it, as you can see. Then put some BB leads on it, split shot BB leads. These are smaller ones, not the bigger ones. You don't need too big. And some size 14 hooks, guys. So you can see it right here. Size 14 hooks. And perfect. Some perch, papillos. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man. I mean, this is a cool thing, man. And I was looking at this, I was like, wow, man, I wonder how it goes. I'm looking through the internet, and oh wow, there's a YouTuber, he's reviewing it, and he actually used it, and man, this thing bent like I don't know what. I ain't handled it. I was like, dude, I need to get it. So this is awesome, guys. You know, this is the lock right here to stop it from going. You can see this is the lock right here. You stop it from going. You know, make sure this is nice and tight so this doesn't move, nothing moves. You know, make sure everything is tight. Nothing moves. The only thing is you can't cast it because this is not a casting, it's not a spool reel, so it doesn't have no drag, no nothing, you know. So like I said, if you push, it's gonna go like this, you know. So all we have to do is test it out, guys. And right now, it's raining, guys. On top of that, I had someone give me a pole. It was awesome, man. My cousin actually gave me this pole. I was looking for a reel, but hey, I got a reel and a pole. How cool is that, guys? This is awesome. So I got 2 poles. I just need another reel though, actually. And he never got to use this, so he gave it to me. So it's cool, but I'm going to change the line, I guess. I don't want to say it's line, but this is a big line. Too big. So guys, I'll be preparing my poles so I can take you on a fishing adventure, guys. So thank you guys for being here with me, Brother D, reviewing this, the pen pole. And this is an awesome pole, and I hope I get to show you guys what it's like fishing with it, what if it'll handle a papillo. Yes sir. I can't wait to go another spear fishing, guys. Catch another fish on my spear. I'd made my spear all nice, so sharpen it back up, bend it back straight, and I got it going on, guys. So now I'm just waiting for the rain. It's raining out there, so I'm kind of bummed out. Can't do nothing. Can go fish, can go do nothing. And to mind you, I don't have a car, so I walk my way there. So anyway, thank you guys for stopping by while I review this pole, the pen pole, guys. This is awesome. Yes, this is very awesome, guys. Look at that. Oh, I have to be very careful with it now, guys. That's awesome, guys. So thank you guys for being here with me. I'm hoping this rain is done soon, because I'm dying to go fish. I'm dying to take you guys on an adventure, guys. So thank you guys for being here with me, Brother D, guys. And let's get me up to 2,000, man. Let's get this channel up to 2,000, guys. So more I get support, more things I can do, more content I can give you guys, and the more things I can just go out there and explore on a fishing adventure, guys. So thank you guys, man. Aloha, guys. Love you guys, man. And smash that like button for Brother D. And if you guys haven't yet joined Brother D's Ohana, guys, on this fishing adventure, guys. Aloha, guys.